The late 1960s remain one of the most celebrated eras in automotive history, a time when muscle cars reigned supreme on American roads and drag strips. Among the standout models of this golden age is the Mercury Cougar, a car that successfully bridged the gap between Ford's Mustang and the more luxurious Thunderbird. Today we're diving into one of the rarest and most stunning examples ever produced, a 1969 Mercury Cougar Convertible fitted with the legendary 428 Cobra Jet engine. The Cougar name first appeared on Mercury's drawing boards in 1962 during the design phase of Ford's T5 project, which ultimately became the Mustang in 1964. Initially, Mercury missed out on the pony car revolution, but in 1967, Ford gave its premium division the green light to enter the fray. The result was the Cougar, a car that offered something a little different from its Mustang sibling. Unlike the Mustang, which was aimed squarely at the youth market, the Cougar positioned itself as a more upscale alternative. It came with a refined design, a higher quality interior, and a smoother ride. This formula allowed Mercury to carve out a unique niche in the pony car segment. Yet beneath its stylish looks and premium feel, the Cougar shared the Mustang's powerful V8 engines. By 1968, the Cougar lineup received a massive performance boost with the introduction of the 428 cubic inch Cobra Jet V8. This engine transformed the Cougar from a refined cruiser into a legitimate muscle car. Officially rated at 335 horsepower, the Cobra Jet was known to deliver even more in real-world conditions, making it one of the most feared engines of its era. The car we're focusing on is a 1969 model year Cougar, equipped with that very Cobra Jet engine. What makes it even more special is its convertible configuration. Of the almost 90,000 Cougars built in 1969, fewer than 10% were convertibles, just 9,820 units. Out of those, only a handful left the factory with the Cobra Jet engine, putting this particular car into extremely rare territory. Experts estimate production numbers in the low 3 digits, making this car a genuine collectible. Adding to its desirability, this Cougar has been fully restored by KTL Restorations in Danville, Virginia. The craftsmanship is nothing short of breathtaking. Finished in dark ivy green metallic, the car's exterior shines with a mirror-like polish that arguably surpasses its factory finish. Step inside, and you're greeted with a saddle interior that looks brand new, exuding both luxury and authenticity. Under the hood lies the original numbers-matching 428 Cobra Jet V8, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This combination not only ensures authenticity, but also makes the driving experience visceral and engaging, true to the muscle car spirit. The meticulous restoration extends to the engine bay, which is so clean it could pass for a showroom display. This Cougar is not just a museum piece, it's a piece of history that still carries the raw power and prestige of the muscle car era. And for those who dream of owning such a rare gem, there's good news. This exact car is heading to auction at Mecum's Dallas-Fort Worth event on November 1, 2025. Back in 2018, it crossed the block with a high bid of $110,000, but did not sell. Given its rarity, condition, and the rising value of classic muscle cars, it's almost certain this time the hammer price will land comfortably in six-figure territory. As an added bonus, the same auction will feature a pristine 1948 Mercury M47 pickup truck, another rare and beautifully restored classic. But for muscle car enthusiasts, the star of the show is undoubtedly this 1969 Mercury Cougar Convertible with the 428 Cobra Jet, a stunning blend of style, rarity, and raw power that captures the essence of the golden muscle car era.